Okay, I'm back again for the second video in a short series of my garden up here in the highlands of southern Queensland. So we have some tomatoes. It's been a project for me. Never staked them up like that before. Pruning all the suckers to try and get that long column, I guess you could say, of tomatoes. So here's the plants here. This is the garden. Some zooks over there, more tomatoes here. These are cherry tomatoes. Same deal. They're getting really tall. And the other ones over there are gross lizzies. So here's this. Oh, the sun's come out. We had rain. We had a storm here in Stanthorpe last night. So yeehaw for the rain. Now, these look good. I had a few rotten ones. They didn't have any fly in them, fly larvae, but maybe pockmark orange. Thanks to Shane Douglas, I think it was, who supplied those seeds. Now these are ripening. Look at this, gorgeous. You know, guys, that's what I love about chilies. I mean, aside from loving the spice, these are incredible works of art. Wouldn't you agree? I'm sure you agree. We love our chilies because, I mean, the plants themselves. Here we have black stems, dark leaf, and these crazy, amazing looking pods, like black almost, turning to this color, and then finally here, pockmark orange. Really look amazing. 7-pot purple white, little short plants. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, look at that. Fantastic looking ones. Brazilian starfish orange, quite tall. I think this is the same. This is pretty tall. This one's the same, I think. Brazilian starfish orange. It would be as big as the Yaki Blue, Major Plain Yaki Blues, down to Sugar Rush Cream. Now I found just before this video a pod with, there we go. I'm thinking fruit fly down there. I've got to get onto that, bag them up into Ziploc bags and go through my crop and try and extract the rotten fruit before the worms come out. It's another lovely plant. I mean, I was talking about the variety in chilies, and I've got to say, you know, the leaf, the plants themselves, the pods, right, the colours, the shapes, the intensity of colours. It's a sight to behold, isn't it, chili people? Lunchbox orange down there. I have 2 of these plants. Lunchbox orange. Brown brain strain. Here we go. I think a few of these are starting to turn brown. Cosmos there, reshooting. Cosmos flowering plants, regrowth, and yeah, this one, brain strain brown. Another brain strain brown, purple pumpkin habanero. Okay, they look like they're getting right for the picking. Right there, another good looking plant. Sorry, good looking fruit. White fatale. Let's have a look. I tried this the other day. I bit half of one of these and it was warm. It was a creeper too. Another white fatale. I would say similar to what we've just seen. I'm not seeing too much fruit rot or signs of fruit fly. Just in that sugar rush cream. Fatales, I'm going to say this is a yellow fatale because there's one just here next to it. These are great looking, aren't they just? Red fatale, man, these have a lot of leaf on them, these red fatales, and still no ripe fruit, but okay, moving right along. So just have a look at this side of the garden. Purple pumpkin habanero, looking good. Banka, not much on happening with that. Another ricotta. This is a yellow ricotta. Now this was hit with fruit, with mites, and I've been battling them. It's sort of come back. It was under stress for a while, and it's got some good flower set, but not much fruit. Not much fruit at this point. Lion shark. Okay, we go down to the lion shark. Yeah, get some ripe fruit come through there. Love these plants. Brown cayenne, Ethiopian brown cayenne there. I have a few of those. Now this is, what do we have? This is, I harvested this yesterday, but this is the Coles. You remember last year Coles was selling their yellow scorpions. Well, this is from those seeds, and it is an amazing producer of large pods. Healthy plant. Got a lot of that seed, and no doubt a lot of you guys do too, some of you, that if anyone wants some of this seed, I've got a bunch, I've got a ton of it, so let me know in the comments if you want some seed of that Coles yellow scorpion. Great producer. Wartrex, here we go, Wartrex, is that how you say it? All these bunched up pods under here in one big bunch. Wartrex, and there's a ripish pod right there coming through. There's two Wartrexes, I believe. There's another one with ripe pods on it. Yeah. Look at that. I believe this is quite warm. I haven't tried it yet. Moving over. Jay's Pink. It's the only Jay's Pink I have. Shout out to Shane Douglas. And this is the plant right here. Euphoria. Now these, hopefully I'll get a crop out of these. These are amazing looking pods. Look at that. Looking forward to tasting one of these for sure. Beautiful. Mako Koku. This little squat plant from Africa, I think. Mako Koku. Alright. Do the leap of faith over this Scotch Brains. Short plant, just really spreading out. I harvested this yesterday, so no ripe pods, but beautiful pods. Carol Moruga. Oh man, I was watering a few weeks ago and I just tried even smaller than this one. It was just half that size. It was ripe and I was just chew on it. Wow, that was intense. The Carol Moruga Scorpion. That one's a hottie. Cabe or Cabe. I think this is an Indonesian variety. I think. Brown, Ethiopian brown. cayenne. BBG, bubblegum, yellow. Okay, that's a Cape gooseberry bush right there. They grow big. So I just duck over to another leap of faith over this plant, and my daughter's, it's supposed to be a tree house. I haven't started, but she loves climbing in that tree. Of course, more cosmos and elysium, you know, trying to generate biological control for these plants, and it seems to work. I've got to be honest, I really don't use chemicals much, just lots of flowering plants that attract insects. Argy Fantasy. Nice. Oh, this cherry bomb. Just beautiful. Crimson. Round, sweet, spicy fruit. Argy Fantasy. Pepperoni. Pepperoni. There's two of these. There's one here too. These are small plants. Pepperoni. Chaos Starburst here. Whoa, didn't realise there was a few fruit under that. They're ripe. Thai White. That didn't do so well, and then it sort of just started to come good. Boot Jolokia Orange. Ghost Pepper. Nice plant. Serrano. 7-pot mustard. You know, the mustards were starting to get hit with fruit fly, a couple pods, so I got harvested. Look at the size of this guy. Man, I got reasonably large hands. Look at that.